Yo, me ma wakwa ba Twitechy TV so enne ede ade na yebehwe enne yebehwe WordPress dashboard and also WordPress terms bi wo a ebe din se mecheche mo twim nze intimi nchim twim nti ade brofo kakra bi befra enye den ne hu bia yade a obeta hu nti ya chimu na yebu ne din so da be ya obehu na ntem nti yankoso nti yefane se waba WordPress website and say what you can call WordPress homepage any obeko ase na ko login peso or dashboard mo nti oko login na wabo or username and or password unyae no a few web hosts and we use a local host no so send them a share or introduction no now they are share say opeso ko page no so in terms of or hanoma we WordPress if you was it wp-login.php and I say with me you know if you know wp-admin which wp-admin and about the same thing and I say about send city and about login so na about username and or password ashahanum inti yambo username near password in shaway username near Twitechy and I password so a near a login in password near about WordPress dashboard we near friend of WordPress dashboard hana boni beka se back end hana obachishe bibia ukọ obi website so a obehu no behu bibi fefe design kama no hana oye bibia hana control room na say for the situation room nti hana obe bibia nsana wako front end na and say public view na obehu se eda hono no inti edikan no oba dashboard bia odikai welcome to WordPress inti jene boni reka no we welcome model inti welcome model no on links obetimi aye the opese we your website in montentem inti how say get started, customize your site or change your theme completely. You use the 2017 theme. Inti opeso we mobia and time pass with me. And I say, next step also write your first blog post, add an about page, view your site, more actions. I say manage widgets and menus, turn comments on or off, learn more about getting started. When you na links or the mouse the be obey me and for or left and right or dashboard no so tentem na ohu nema we nyina en fa so wa nema we nyina mu a we are obetimi adesmese no inti the twaso no yenhwe ekwan a WordPress dashboard no ahye nafa the edikan toolbar hane freno WordPress toolbar no toolbar yina link ewomu a obetibide hu website no front view and I say public view no the front end what you hear website ni dina or first site umiaso a obeko website no sene obeko website no so a obehu no oko WordPress logo did it can say about WordPress person WordPress one bia na obeko honum also wordpress.org WordPress websites na so I don't know documentation documents if a WordPress hu nyina hana benyano support forum unti bibia so WordPress the bia nkofo bisa questions ma we nya wasem hia pa time bia ko support forum ade bia how no obekọ no obi bisa question dada nti wo mbre ho na wo hu se ne obetimi adada ho no feedback or information bia na obetimi yakọ feedback ho na ode ato no there also a updates and so here pa WordPress mu de updates here and I'm say open source no to tell bia updates ba o theme we say commercial and I say free time bia update to honom to share say obey update you themes or plugins to time bia updates no industrial honoma our honom say more 5 updates to be me also and one be update ya mame the trust your comments or blog so hana beba no approve it and I say obey home bibia no ya hanum or see new to ko new no so opeso de post for to honum you beba post so becheche mo what say media photos and videos bia no ko media obenya sa information as obetimi de for aka ho page opeso de page for to website no so and so you beba so you be cheche mo what say post ni page different users opeso di news ya for to account website no ho contributor and say user bi episode account bi na abeko inti toolbar ho asem na say ya ka yo entraso the traso a navigation menu when your friend navigation menu how's the home updates na dano we toolbar no so yeah quick links no me dey to one but bibia wo ha bia no bibia edapa ni menu na mu ni wo dey to so your sub menus ebeba ebi wo no man sub menus wo so the dashboard no the sub menus any home any updates no over poster sub menus ni all post add new categories tags over media also library add new over pages also all pages add new over comments over appearance over plugins over users over tools over settings nina collapse menu so opese ebeba so make sure asia mo atiase inti se all the plugin for be to honum kra na ha na babeda link na time bia navigations ni na da o themes ni na navigations ti se ne ohunu wo ha no enche se o website ya bia say net we need a generic ha de obehu say we no wo honum but e bi ti be ka ho ni na begina theme a we use so any plugins we use inti way toolbar way navigations there twice way layout and I say work area no hana work area no inti links e wo hide e boawo ama wahu niema obetimi ayen intentem so instantly but nina so obetimi close na me yana mempe e be say me layout and I say canvas and I say work area no empty na bibia na yema but wa onyu bi da no we quick navigations obetimi alternate no and I say se ne obetimi adada ho afa nti se na me kai no wo de hwia o website no edin say Twitechy's blog as a visit site to me aswa na do ko website no so until you see website ni oku scroll down website ni na yemfa customizations bia memunti ana I simple kama sana but e betimi amana yes website bia we asibia e betimi asesa website we ama ayesa ti hu we ama abamombo kra na adeba kwampeso hu ne se osare toolbar na ba to hanom toolbar na ewo dashboard no chese impo sane obi hu website no obetime agina ha ya aye website no adwuma sane obi hu no pepepe akwa me na mefa so ko customizer sane hu no obetime asesa ne mawu ewo customize ni mu nti toolbar no so ewo o front end anase o public view website no obetimi a customizer na se obesesa name bia ewo website no so ewo o front end anase o public view se ne kofo hu websites ewo internet so the toolbar no be di we chia ba hanom so obetimi the new post media page uses bibia opeso bia obetimi aye wo hanom okay ti yankode to aso